Hey guys, hope everyone's okay. Back with another beauty here. This is another Spyderco. What a cute little box. Let's cut to the chase. This is one of my favorite Spyderco models, and that's the Dragonfly 2. However, this time around, instead of having FRN scales, I decided to go for the new G10. Okay, I know this is not a brand new product, but this is the first Dragonfly I've had with the G10 scales. All I gotta say is, in terms of the regular FRN handles, in my opinion, I think they're perfectly fine. There seems to be a small community that feel that, one material is superior over the other. I think they're both strong, and for what I'm doing or for what most people are doing, I think that both of these handles will hold up. So it's just a matter of just personal preference. Anyways, some people like weight. They want some weight in their hands. They want to know they have a tool in their hands. So, anyways, I like the color of these scales. So it's called Foliage. So it's gonna be in the camo spectrum. So really nice. And you know what? I noticed the extra weight immediately compared to just the normal FRN Dragonflies. However, it still feels good, and it has I believe this time around, or not this time around, but compared to my other one, it has a bigger it has a thicker wire clip right here, and this wire clip is really good because when you put it in your pocket, it keeps it pretty well hidden, and this is a really good clip that everyone pretty much likes it a lot in the Spyderco community. So it's a good clip. There's some knives out there where the clip's so bad they have many people have to go buy an aftermarket one. Fortunately, this is the clip. However, the only bad thing is that you can only have it tip up, okay? But however, you can change the side, okay? But like I said, for any of those people who are like tip down people only, okay, well, sorry, maybe you can make a little concession here. Okay. Anyways, I like the size of it. A lot of people think it's a feminine knife, or it's not good enough, or whatever. It's really funny because there's a lot of people who like to just follow the crowd. The bigger is better. But this is design like at its finest. I mean, it's everyone has only good things to say about it. You really can't say anything bad, but you can't say it's too small for my hands. But other than that, just the way it's designed, it's unsuspecting. It doesn't seem like something that could be like a tool, or even something that can be a defensive tool. It's styled really nicely. I like the characteristic thumb hole for quick access, quick opening. Another thing I really like is that in addition to this nice grip that these scales are going to give you, they have this jimping on the top and the bottom. Okay, this is a big deal. Like the bigger models, just say something more like, this is not the Delica, this is the Salt, but just to give you an idea, see, they only have like the jimping on the back. So I wish they would start providing all knives or more models that with jimping on the top and the bottom. Not that there'd be grip problems with this, but it just feels like a cool. This is a good addition. I think a good design thing, and I think it should be added to more knives. So when I have it, this is comfortably. This is not squeezing it, but just comfortably. It just perfectly fits my hand, as you can see here. All right. So I can even back up a little bit. I mean, it's not like you're going to be chopping down redwoods with this thing. So this is an ideal size. All right, let's look at the back of this. This has a nice lock here. And all the extra steel adds extra weight, if you don't mind. But it's beautiful in its a Dragonfly too. That's all I gotta say. Everyone, there's a big following for this model. The steel for this one is nothing special. It's my preferred VG10. It's easy to sharpen, and it's nothing bad. There's a lot of people who don't like it, but I think it does the job done for every day. So other than that, I like the shape of the blade. It's like an arrowhead. It's really beautifully done. The wire clip is great. Maybe it's too small, and I probably wouldn't have worked out to have 4 positions for the clip. No problem. So the only issue you could say would be that, okay, you can only carry it tip up. But I think it would have been difficult to manage that, to have an also position right here. This is not enough real estate. We're not working with a lot of room here, so this is okay. Most people prefer tip up from what I've seen. So, and this back is really nice, and it just gives it, I don't know, it gives it a luxury feel compared to the other ones that I've had. So, yeah. Other than that, this is a cool recommendation to anyone who's already a Dragonfly fan but doesn't really like scales, the G10 scales, I mean. So this is cool. You get, for me, it's one of the top 5 Spydercos, and then you get the G10 scales. Plus, it's a normal looking color. It's not these freaky, wild, bright colors. It's a nice color. It looks like OD green. All like old school. I highly recommend this model, and I would say for anyone who, just for the average person, this would be just perfect for you. It does everything. Okay, just because of its size, it doesn't limit it at all. Okay, so give this one some consideration. If you're looking for something that you can use every day and it's discreet, it's also strong, and it's gonna last. So well designed, and for me, in my opinion, I think it's like one of the best designs. Thanks for watching.